What's up, guys? Welcome to Eating Outdoors. In today's video, we're finally painting the baler. It's getting close to done. It's rainy and miserable. So I'm gonna go in. Dad's painting right now. Make sure to like and subscribe before we get going. We got that piece covered. We got the lawn tractor, the bush hog, and everything else that's sitting there covered. That's covered. And so we still gotta do all this. But this is what we did last night. When we were here for just a few minutes, we just decided to mix up a can and put some of this on. Just this back part. And it looks good. It's all in there. I don't know how we're going to get some of it in the different spots, but we're getting ready and we're going to paint it. I did get that with me too. The baler's covered in. Both sides over there. Got that part covered over. Like that's covered over. Everything's all covered over. Ready for paint. So now we're ready for paint. Dad's hooking up the gun. I'm not going to film much of it because I'm not allowed in here to paint. Because it's really bad. And then paint really such one all messed up. So I'm just going to film a bit. Then I'm going to show you when it's done. That's the testing spot. Now we gotta let the pressure build up. The compressor's not that big. Well, it's my time to leave. It's probably a lot of wind noise. It's a windy and rainy day, so I'm getting kicked out from the paint fumes. So I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so I'm not allowed in. This is our first coat on the baler. Didn't go very good. It's all bubbly like that. But we did get some really good spots too, like that one. We're going to have to do a bit of sanding, like there, a few spots here, and in the back over there.
Overall, back up.
Overall, it's not bad.
Go on the other side, go around. That's pretty good. You know a Lamborghini,
No.
but you might be a Cadillac. We'll sand her down tomorrow.
We're not going to paint these knotters because these are really complicated. We don't want to get paint in something that we shouldn't. Our sprayer wasn't working 100% either.
Well, it's a really clean earth.
Yeah. So about an hour later, and the paint's looking pretty good. All those What are they called? Bubbles?
Runs and stuff.
Runs and
Well,
bubbles.
not runs, but bubbles and that.
Bubbles and that.
Laid out.
Laid out and they're gone. We still have a few spots to touch up. That's where the second coat will come in.
The mini feels pretty good.
Oh yeah.
You still gotta
Do more to it.
You always did.
I always hit that. Looking good.
Once we get those stickers on.
It'll look like a new Baler.
Once we uncover the yellow.
Oh yeah.
It'll really pop, right?
Beautiful. So
There we go.
now we're taking off our new Rake. It's a New Holland 258. Taking it off with the tractor and the tower trailer. It's gonna drag it.
Push that off. Put that back.
Guys, we got this Raker, a New Holland 256 roll bar rake. Needs a few teeth, some paint, stickers, and the gearbox needs a bit of work. But other than that, it's good. Maybe tires in the future. Then there's this teter. Not really sure much about it. It's a Fahr. It says Fahr. Don't know anything about it. I know I want to paint it red. And these spin and flip the hay. And it's driven by the PTO shaft. That's about it. So we got these two in a pair from Norman Kirsten. Thanks for selling the Rake and the teter. So that's what they look like. So now we're doing coat number 2 on the Baler. Get it looking nice and shiny. All our paint bubbles did end up coming out, so it's a nice smooth finish. But we do need to put a second coat. Oh, that was my battery. So I'll update you when it's done. painted. We didn't finish today because we ran out of international red paint that is over here. We painted that piece, the lid, which got the hose head on, and a few other things. On top of that piece, and we ran out of that stuff there. Not that stuff, that's the one in the white can. So we got this side a bit done, the other side good. Right here, we got all this top done. That looks really nice. I'm gonna have to put new yellow, but that's not much. And we painted this bin. Okay, we had to do that jack stand. Painted the bin. Didn't do the inside yet, but everything's gonna take its time. We ran out of paint. We need more. Anything to say, Dad?
Just coming.
Yeah. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. The Baler's looking really good. Don't mind my messy, beautiful hair. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.